sword. Right, this is the sword. However, the sword's not really going to do anything to this. So if I was fighting with a sword, I would be fighting like this, and I would be looking for using the point and trying to get the point into a gap in the armor. And really, this is not a great weapon for fighting another person in armor. For that, I would use a pole axe. So this is a pole axe. So you can see how deadly it is, right? It's got a spike and an axe, another spear point here, and a point there. And for this kind of a weapon, you're being like this, and you're threatening with that. If somebody tries to attack me, then I might push their weapon away and then strike them, right? So, but you, as a staff weapon, you can use this as a lever to attack somebody or knock them over. And whatever end I use, I have some sort of point there to attack them.